This is a demonstration of the new tacking support that's been added into sailboats. So what I have here is a little boat and a mission, little square mission. The wind is coming from the south. So what I'll do is arm the vehicle and then switch it into auto mode. You can see its speed here is about 1 meter per second as it's going downwind. Over here on the left you can see what it's doing with the sails. So the sail is 4, and which is the green line, and the rudder control is 1, which is the red line. So it's got the sail all the way out right now as it goes downwind. Now you can see it's just rounded the corner, so it pulls the sail way in, and it also turned a little bit. Now the next leg is actually most interesting because the wind is coming from the south, so we're going to see the tacking support at work. So there it goes. It's actually off the line. It'll go up to 10 meters off the line. This is configurable using the WP overshoot parameter. The new support also comes with wind speed sensor support. So here you can see this is the absolute wind speed. It moves around a little bit as the vehicle moves, but in general it's correctly estimating that the wind is coming from the south at 3 meters per second. The new support also allows loiter mode to work better. So we'll switch the vehicle into loiter mode. You'll see it will try and maintain position. Of course, it can't stop, so it just goes back and forth. Acro mode also supports tacking. So in this case, I've got the tacking auxiliary switch set up as channel 9. I just raise the throttle stick in acro so that the vehicle moves. So at any time you can tack, and what it will do, RC9, this is the switch that I've got set up to control the tack. It goes to the opposite direction, the opposite angle to the wind. So in this case the wind is coming from the south, so every time I move the tacking switch up, it switches to the other tack. Of course, modes like RTL still work, and they will properly tack if they need to travel upwind to home.